What's up guys, Johnny from Traxxas, and today we're going to take my Traxxas Maxx and we're going to smash it through 169 pool balls. And what do we want to achieve by doing this? We want to see how awesome it's going to look in slow motion. At the end of the day, we just want to have fun. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as I had making it. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from Traxxas, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!